Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Vibha, a mathematics teacher in India and a huge edtech enthusiast. It gives me immense pleasure to share tidbits of information with others. Let's dive right into today's video. Today, we're going to talk about the basics of Google Forms. So let me start a new form. I'm going to type in forms.new in my Omnibox. And I have a blank form right here. So first things first, this is the file name and this is the title of the form. So make sure that this is something which is easy for you to remember and easy for you to organize in your drive. I have named it Demo Draft, and this is something which you want your respondents to see. So let me call it Demo for now. In form description, you will write the purpose of your form. Coming to this side, I can move and organize this form in any folder in my Google Drive. I can star it and make it an important file. Coming to this side, this is the preview option and the settings option. I'll talk about these two options in my next video when I add some questions to my form. This one is to customize the theme of my form. I have the option to change the theme color. I also have the option to change the background color. I can change the font style of my form as well. I can choose a header image for my form. There are a few options given right here. I can upload a file from my device, or I could choose something from my Google Photos album. So right now, I am going to choose something from my device. Insert. And my form has a header image now. This is where I'll see the responses once some people have filled my form. Coming to this side now, these three dots, more. First option is undo. You can choose this or Ctrl Z from your keyboard. You can make a copy of your Google form right here. If you don't like your work, you can move it to trash. This option works when you want to send out a Google form with some pre-filled answers. I can take a printout of my Google form. I can add collaborators to the form. So let me add a friend of mine right now. I'm going to type in her email address, a message for her, send. An email will be sent to her notifying it, and she will be able to edit this form along with me now. Coming back to more. Script editor is an option which works very well if you are familiar with coding. If you are, go ahead, give it a try. Some add-ons to increase the productivity of Google Forms. I'll talk about some of those in my upcoming videos. Preferences are to make any of these three settings a default setting. Do you want to collect email addresses every time you send out a form? Do you want to make all questions compulsory? When you are making a Google Forms quiz, what do you want the default point of your questions to be? You can choose the value of your points. This question mark at the bottom is for the times when you are stuck and need some help, or you want to request Google to add certain features to this app. We're done with the basic settings of a Google form. Watch out for my next video to see the types of questions that can be added to a form. Hope that helped. See you.